What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back on the video. Today we're gonna show you that you can get rid of your Peloton now because we have the MERACH TT. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what the MERACH TT can do. Today we're gonna assemble it and show you how well it does. And it is also app powered, and you'll be able to have multiple available exercises that you can use. The MERACH TT has the high quality material with aluminum alloy. It is capable of holding strong force on the pedals. Now the stationary bike has 2 ways to adjustable handlebar and a 4 ways adjustable paddle seat, good for 4'9" people up to 6'3". It also has excellent stability. Aerodynamic design details unique V-shaped back tube, provides better stability than other traditional workout bikes for home. It has heavy-duty steel frame with bottle holder. It is also balanced and safe. It has a toe cage as well for pedals and are large enough for most users. It has high quality material used on pedals, makes them long lasting and durable. It has a comfort handle for all position as well. Ergonomic design makes the handle suitable for various riding positions. With a tablet stand, you will get the ultimate sports experience. It has a narrow seat as well, which is important for a bike. It decides the quality of the riding experience. Of course, soreness is inevitable. The seat covered by a smooth layer is made of soft material. The MERACH as well comes with the 180-day membership when you buy the bike. It is compatible with Bluetooth as well. Compatible apps including KinoMap, Swift, and MERACH. You can conveniently measure or check your workout data like speed, distance, RPM, calorie burned, and other info. Once you get the packaging, it'll be boxed like this, and it's pretty small packaging, actually. Pretty surprised with it. It is also all-in-one, so you don't have to worry about the screws, and even the tools are provided with it, which is really good. Overall, it has a pretty good detail as well, even the measurements of how high the seats are and how high the handles might be. From my experience as well, the handles are pretty nice, and also the quality build of it is sturdy. The instruction manual is pretty easy to follow as well, pretty detailed with pictures. Now the first step is to take off the bolt that holds on to the wheel so that it won't move during shipment. Now technically we don't need this bolt anymore because it was only used for shipment, but we're gonna keep it together with the other trinklets that came with the MERACH. Now we're gonna install the legs with 2 bolts there and the Allen key that provided in the box onto the chassis of the bike. I usually use my fingers first, get it threaded for a second there, and then we're going to use the Allen keys to tighten it up. Next up is the other legs, basically 2 bolts as well, and the Allen keys. The legs also comes with grippable feet there, which is really good when you're using the bike so that it won't move. Again, we're just going to plop up the bike, the chassis on top of it, and then we're going to put the bolts, finger tighten first, and then the Allen keys after that. Once it's all done, it should look like this. Now it's time to install the handle. We can loosen the knob here so that we can slide in the seat. Sliding it in is so easy as well. Just stick it in a hole like so. It'll also have clicks so that you know which side you're on. And there's also numbers on the side so that you could see how far up or how far down you are. And then once you're done, all you need to do is tighten up the knob on the bottom, and that's it. This can also be pulled if you need it to be a quick access. Now we're just going to take the handle here. I'm just going to plop it up to the top of it. And then we're going to bolt it down with 3 bolts up top. And then we're going to tighten it up with the Allen keys. Once it's all done, we're going to put the cap on with the QR code on there as well if you want to install the app. The cap pretty much just snaps on there. Really easy to do. Installing the seat is really easy as well. You're just going to loosen the knob right here, and it could be pulled out for quick access as well. And then it's just a matter of putting in the seat like so. And then it has numbers on the side as well and the top so that you can adjust it to whatever size you want. Once you found the right height, now you can tighten up the knob on the side and you'll be good to go. Now the seat is just gonna sit up there like so, and it has one bolt on the side, and you can screw on the nut on the bottom, which can be adjusted front and back. Once you're satisfied, you can tighten up the nuts on the bottom, and then you're good to go. Now to install the pedal is really easy. You're just gonna thread the bolt on the end there onto the pedal. Make sure that it's left and left. There's an L sticker on each side. Make sure it's threaded all the way to the blue sticker. The pedal also has adjustable straps like so. Really easy to use. And to tighten the pedal, you're just going to use the wrench that is provided in the box. And then once you're done, you're just going to do the other side, the right side, and use the wrench as well to tighten it, and you'll be good to go. The last thing we need to do is to add batteries on here. It does take 2 AAAs. And yes, the packaging came with it. The battery is for Bluetooth connection. Once you're all done, you just put the cap back on and you're good to go. And pretty much you're ready to ride the bike. Now for easy transport, it does have wheels on the front, so you'll be able to lift the back and roll the front so that you can move it to the location that you want. So what do you guys think? I think it's really nice. The look of it is really good as well. Pretty premium quality as well. One physical feature is the stop button as well, and this is also when you're turning it left or right, this will make the resistance higher or lower. The app will know as well what kind of resistance you have. Let's take off the sticker on the tablet holder. The holder has great grip as well, so that your tablet won't fall off. Now let's go ahead and install the app. With the MERACH app, you'll be able to have high quality courses, and it will display all the information that you need while you are using the bike. Now let's go ahead and make an account here and add the device, which is our MERACH TT. It's the exercise bike. And as you can see, it's able to pair right away, pretty quick. Now let's hop into our exercise bike and we're gonna try this out. And as you can see, this is the progress that I have on the MERACH TT. 27 seconds, and it'll tell you all the information from calories and distance as well, and on what resistance you are in. Right now we're gonna test it out with Zwift, and pretty much as you can see here, I was able to use it, pair it on there, make an account on Zwift, and now we can do virtual running or virtual cycling in this case, and you'll be able to see and race other people online. Now, definitely recommend this for people who wants to try out an exercise bike and you want to do everything at home and also pair it to other devices. Really awesome bike by MERACH, and this is definitely recommended for those who wants to get into the fitness. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new exercise bike. This is the MERACH TT. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. If you want to see more videos like these, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.